It's textured material. I recycle my work, so I don't waste anything. You see, I just put the colors together. It takes a little while, but in time, it's all done. People wonder why. You can see my hands. It's, I paint with my hands. It's easier. It goes straight from my hands to the canvas or whatever medium I'm using. So I put colors from my hands, and it becomes. This is the process, but it takes a long time, especially when you put in little, trying to get the exact color. So peel it. See this? This is to go here because that's the right place it should go. So I use this palette and I peel them out. Peel the colors. I love the oranges. That's my favorite color actually. So I use that. Don't waste anything.